I tried many AI tools to generate videos for my faceless channels, but they all required paid subscriptions, and their videos did not satisfy me. I have found a way to generate amazing AI videos using 2 AI tools that will help you make a lot of money, which I revealed in this video. Let me show you some examples so you can believe it. Watch this video till the end. Look at Stoic Bond's channel, which makes AI videos with motivational content. As you can see, this channel earns $8,000 per month, and this is real income this channel made. Wow! I created the same type of motivational video using Jupitrr AI, which edits my videos. Jupitrr AI has abilities like adding B-roll, as you can see on my screen, and turning your audio into visuals, as well as adding Google Images directly, so we don't require any editing software tools to download. The second AI tool is a free text-to-speech AI that generates AI voices with emotions, an alternative to 11 Labs. First, let's play a video from this channel.
Life. Lesson number 1. Accept your fate. Embrace every moment, even moments of struggle, and realize that your existence itself is rare and beautiful.
You can see the videos and hear the AI voice. Now let's play the videos I created.
Imagine starting your day with the serenity of a sunrise, the world still quiet, and the promise of a fresh start. What if I told you that
You can see that this AI voice is the same as the one used by this AI channel. In today's video, I will show you how I make this type of video and without any editing or voice artist. The first step to creating this type of motivational video is to have a script. So, I go to ChatGPT and write the prompt. Hey ChatGPT, can you write a video script about this topic? Waking up early in the morning for a 5-minute video script with an engaging intro to hook the audience. ChatGPT writes the script, and I simply copy this script and paste it into Google Docs. Then I cut out unnecessary parts that my AI voice will not speak. You can see our final AI script is ready. Now it's time to generate a voice. As I mentioned in the intro, I made this video completely free. So go to Google and search OpenAI text-to-speech. You will see the OpenAI TTS website. Click here. This is the interface. First, we need to choose a motivational sound like this channel. Let's play one more video from this channel to hear the sound.
Seneca, a Stoic philosopher, once said, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we..."
Okay, I got it. After exploring for some time, I found this one, Carl, which sounds exactly like the voice used by this AI channel. Let's play this sample voice.
the dominant primordial beast was strong in buck, and under the fierce conditions of
Wow, this is good. Now paste the script here, choose the Carl character, and set Speed 1 for high-quality voice. Select and click Generate. Okay, our voice is ready, guys. Let's play and listen.
Imagine starting your day with the serenity of a sunrise, the world still quiet, and the promise of a fresh...
Wow, amazing. Now download this voice. I use Audacity to add more emotion to the voice. So, I open Audacity and paste the voice I generated. Don't panic, guys. Audacity is free, so you can download this software for free on your PC. Okay, you can see our voices here. I cut out some silent parts and now select the voice. Click on the Effect section, then EQ Filters, and then click Graphic EQ. I usually use these parameters to add emotion to the voice. You can copy my parameters, guys. Okay, I click Apply, and let's play once again.
Imagine starting your day with the serenity of a sunrise, the world still quiet, and the promise of a fresh start. What if I told you that waking up early would transform your life?
Wow, amazing. Now the sound really comes like a podcast deep voice type. Now, I will export this MP3 file and save it to the desktop. Now it's time to generate audio to video using the AI tool Jupitrr AI. So I go to Google and search for Jupitrr AI, click on the website. You can see it says, Jupitrr AI Video Maker is the fastest and easiest way to add engaging B-roll visuals to creators' content marketing videos. You can see some examples of how this AI tool works and adds B-rolls to videos. So I click Generate B-roll with AI. Here you will see two options. Add B-rolls to your video and turn your audio to video. I click Upload Audio because we already generated our audio and we need only audio-related visuals. So click Upload Audio and then upload your audio file. Now, wait a moment. Jupitrr will add visuals to your audio, so be patient. Alright guys, our Jupitrr AI has generated this video in just a few seconds. You can see that you can easily change video sizes to portrait for Reels or landscape for your YouTube long videos. Wow! Okay, let's play it.
Imagine starting your day with the serenity of a sunrise, the world still quiet, and the promise of a fresh start. What if I told you that waking up early would transform your life?
Amazing, guys. You can see that I didn't use any editing software like Filmora or CapCut, and my video is ready. This is incredible. Let's suppose you need to change any visual parts. For example, if the line "world still quiet" doesn't satisfy you, in the left side, you will find your subtitles. You can click and drag this sentence to the left side to the extent you want to change the visual. A pop-up will show up, and you need to click Pick another from gallery. A footage bar will open where you can search for any footage and change sizes. Let's suppose I want to add this footage. I simply click on this video, and Jupitrr AI automatically adds your chosen video footage. Wow, you can see it says Applying Changes. Now, let's play and see.
A sunrise, the world still quiet, and the promise of...
Amazing. You can see I changed the waking up early sentence footage. Simply drag the sentence and choose your footage, and boom, the AI will change it. If you are still confused, click the Watch Now option to see the tips. It says, highlight any sentences and generate stock images and videos. Then click the subtitle option where you can edit your subtitle style and font color. As you can see, I made my font green. You can also adjust the number of words you want to display and the size and position. These AI-generated videos are non-copyrighted, so you can use them easily. After everything is good, click Export. And now, let's play my final video.
Imagine starting your day with the serenity of a sunrise, the world still quiet, and the promise of a fresh start. What if I told you that
Wow, amazing, guys. Now it's ready to upload. However, this watermark looks annoying in the video. You can upgrade Jupitrr AI. Get it for only $19 per month with my coupon code, which is in the description, and you'll receive 10% off for a lifetime. Click the link in my description. Also, the feature Add B-rolls to your video will be revealed in the next video, which is showing on display. So click and watch to learn how to use it and make better videos, guys. Also, the voice is important, so you can subscribe to this AI voice tool for just $6 per month and unlock more features, including document-to-speech, downloadable audio files, and the ability to create a custom voice using your description. Click the link below to get started.